Come on, let's go kennel up. You've already run upstairs and run away from me twice. Come on, let's go kennel up. Candy, come on, kennel up. You getting a little attitude with me, girlfriend? Come on, Candy. She was just begging to come in. Come on, let's go kennel up. Come on. Oh, good girl. Let's go kennel up. Come on. Candy, come on. Come on, good girl. Oh, is this so sad? I hope she does what she just did. Come on. Kennel up. Candy. Candy. She just ran up the stairs again. Candy, what are you doing? Come on. Let's go kennel up. Oh, I know it's so sad. Oh, it's a big stretch. No, it's not time to play. Come on, let's go kennel up. Good girl. Good girl, Candy. Good girl. Oh, I know what we should do. Should we get you a treat? Should get you a treat. I hope they're in here. Oh, I think it is. Oh, I found 2 treats. Come on, let's go kennel up. Here, want one now? There you go. Okay, let's go kennel up. I have another one. Oh, this is how I bribe the girls. Okay, let's go kennel up. Kennel up. Good girl. Kennel up. Get in there. No. There you go. There you go. Good girl, Candy. Good girl. Good girl. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Candy. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye.